Stationary points. How do we find them? Well, what does stationary actually mean? Well, stationary means it doesn't move. So, if we're talking about a function like this black line here, it means that when our rate of change is non-changing or zero. But we're not looking at the rate of change over the entire function. We're looking at the rate of change at a single point. So that would be our instantaneous rate of change. And we're still looking for when that is constant or when it doesn't move. So that means our instantaneous rate of change when it is equal to zero. Now we know our instantaneous rate of change is actually our derivative. So we can find the derivative of a function, calculate when that is equal to zero, and that'll give us our stationary points. Now on our graph here, the stationary points that don't move would be this point down here and this point up here. Because when we calculate, let's say, a tangent at this point, we'll have a horizontal line going through this point. So now we can find our stationary points by calculating when our derivative is equal to zero.